but that's a different story. Welcome, and really excited to have you on my channel. This is the place to be if you want to learn everything that has to do with Nigerian Pidgin English. And with me today, I have my friend who will be introducing herself.
Hello again, Juliet is here again on Proudly Pidginated.
Yes, fantastic. So today we are going to continue on with the series. Last week or the last episode, we talked about how far, how buddy, how you day, all the different ways to say hi, right?
Yeah, very true.
Yeah. And today we're going to be looking at now which country you come from. We're asking questions like how would you, if you're a foreigner in Nigeria and someone were to ask you like where you're coming from, how would you do that in Pidgin? So we're going to be talking about some of the words and phrases that go along with that. So just to set this up, we have two people in a coffee shop, and they're just going to have a conversation on their new friend from China. So we're just two of us, not three, but still I think we can do it, right?
We can do it. We're ready.
All right, let's do this. So, do you want to go first?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm Chidi. And so Chidi goes, Tefa, now I be this. How far? How family?
My dear, I do. We do. How far? You don't do.
We thank God though.
This is not my friend Ying Ying.
Your friend Sabi speak Pidgin.
Yes, so I sabi speak am.
Now wow. Which country you come from?
I come from China.
You don't stay here?
And that kind 2 years.
How business?
We thank God.
Now wow, Tefa. This your friend they correct too.
She didn't try.
Okay, make I leave you now.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, oh.
Okay, later.
Yeah. So this is like a very short, conversation. But I mean, I think it also captures like some of the words that are very important, right? So the first one, I think, maybe you can go with that.
So the first one, when he was talking about, he started with an exclamation. So he started with an exclamation, and he was like, we've been talking about this.
Yeah.
This,
like what? Surprise.
Wow, it's like surprise, and he says like, Tefa, now your eye be this, now your eye be this. I mean, it's a long time no see. Now your eye be this, now your eye. I mean, am I seeing your eyes right now? That could be what. That's the first time. But it's like, it's been a while. It's been a long time. Now your eye be this.
Now your eye be this.
And he goes like, how far? We talked about the how far dialogue. Like, how far? What's up? How are you? How are you doing? Right? And then we talked about. This time he now says, how family? How family? Simply, how is the family? How is the family? So, how family?
Absolutely. And of course the response is, I do, or we do, right? And then she says, idonte. Idonte means it's been a long while, like wow. Idonte, it's been a long time, right? Yeah. So, okay.
And then Chidi goes like, we thank God though. We thank God. We talked about thanking God. Thanking God can answer any question.
Any question.
How are you?
We thank God.
How far?
We thank God.
How body?
We thank God.
How children?
We thank God.
How business?
We thank God.
So we just thank God for everything.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So the next one, so she says like, this time my friend Ying Ying. This time my friend, like this is my friend, right? Pretty simple.
Very simple. Yeah. And then we're seeing another word we saw before. It said, your friend Sabi speak Pidgin. Your friend Sabi speak. We talked about the Sabi word in our last dialogue. We talked about Sabi to know. So your friend can speak. Your friend speaks Pidgin. Your friend knows how to speak Pidgin. That's the question. Your friend Sabi speak Pidgin. So your friend knows how to speak Pidgin. Your friend, understands Pidgin in all the contexts. So it's a question.
Yeah, like wow, your friend can speak Pidgin like that, right? Yeah. And then she says yes. So I sabi speak up. She already like says like I can speak it.
And she's using the accent like talk about.
Well, if she's yes so right. I don't know if she sounds like me, but hey, you never know. Okay.
Now wow. Now wow. Now wow. Wow. Right? Now wow. It could mean other things like can you help me?
Now wow is like wow, or it can also mean like that's incredible.
Incredible.
Or it can also mean what a pity.
What a pity.
But in this sentence it means like wow. Now wow.
Exactly. So it's like now wow. Now which I left the first one. That it's like amazing, like right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
amazing.
like this is a Chinese lady,
Wow,
right?
this is a Chinese lady
Speaking pidgin.
Yeah.
Like, what?
So basically all those they mean so much. All those exclamations they mean so much. Just saying them, you don't have to speak the English word or the pidgin word. Like just so like now wow. And he said like which country you come from? And it's basic English. Which country do you come from?
Right.
Which country you come from? Where do you come from? Which country do you come from?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so of course, I come from China. I mean, hello. Even if you can't speak pidgin, you know that sentence, right?
It's quite easy.
Yeah.
You don't say here. Has it been long you've been here? You don't say. Say it's more like say is the word for time.
Like duration.
Like duration.
Yeah.
Like you don't say here.
Make a note too.
It's basically asking how long have you been here? How long have you been around?
Mm-hmm.
How long have you been around? Basically.
Yeah. They say that kind 2 years. That kind 2 years. Like kind. Is it the kind? It's actually like kind of. Yeah.
Yes, kind of. That's
yeah,
right.
kind of. I've been around for kind of. Like I've been around kind of 2 years. Yeah.
And then Chidi goes like it's back again. So you know like he said He says how business. How business. Talk about how family, how far, how business. We say how's business? How's your work doing? How are you doing? So that's it.
So of course the typical answer is we thank God, like we just everyone like Nigerians thank God a lot for everything. So
how business?
Thank God.
How business, my sister?
My sister, we thank God.
So
yeah.
Now wow, Tefas, this your friends they correct too. So now wow, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Now wow,
Right.
great. Now wow, this your friend they correct too. This your friend is cool. This your friend is really nice. This friend, really cool, right?
Right. And then she responds, she's laughing, right? Yeah, she did try. She did try just means like, yeah, she's really amazing. So in Nigeria, we kind of subdue like we're not like really super, we don't really like express, like we don't commend people like too much. Like, I mean, like I feel like we say things like, you did try. They would never say like, oh, she's amazing. Like we never say that. You never say, oh, she's so awesome. No, they'll be like, oh yeah, she did try. She tried. Oh, you try. So in this case, she's like, yeah, she tried. Yeah, she did try.
So okay says Chidi says okay, make I leave Una. So okay, I'll take my leave.
Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
I'll see you guys later.
Yeah, she's like, bye. Oh, she's like, bye.
Okay, later.
Ciao.
Okay,
yeah,
later.
So that's it for this session. Again, very short dialogue, but I hope you got some things out of it, like later, meaning like bye.
How business.
You don't say.
How far. How
thank
God.
God.
How children.
All right. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you liked it, give us some comments. What would you like? Write down in the comment sections. Let us know what you think. We're really looking forward to hearing from you. This is it's been a really fun session, I think. Yeah. And looking forward to seeing you next time. So stay tuned. And until then, later.
Later.